Cinnamon is a very powerful seasoning that has been used medicinally for thousands of years all over the world. It's used by so many cultures because of its health benefits, not to mention its sweet and spicy taste that's so used in a wide variety of recipes. In today's video, we'll point out 10 reasons for you to include cinnamon in your diet. 1. Fights diabetes. Cinnamon has great benefits for diabetics as it helps lower blood sugar levels and improves the body's sensitivity to insulin, a hormone that's essential for keeping sugar levels stable. 2. Source of antioxidants. Cinnamon is considered to be the spice with the highest concentration of antioxidants. Because of this, it's able to reduce the damage caused by free radicals in addition to slowing down aging. 3. Protects the brain. Cinnamon is rich in antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds, both of which reduce the effects of aging on the body and brain. According to research, the antioxidant properties of cinnamon help protect the brain from neurological problems such as Parkinson's and Alzheimer's. 4. Protects against cancer. Cinnamon has a compound called cinnamaldehyde, which according to studies has the ability to inhibit the growth of cancerous tumors in addition to protecting DNA from damage. It also promotes apoptosis, self-destruction of cancer cells. 5. Anti-inflammatory properties. Cinnamon's antioxidants have anti-inflammatory properties which can help prevent heart disease, neurological diseases, and even cancer. 6. Protects the heart. Among the biggest villains that cause heart disease, we can cite high cholesterol, high levels of triglycerides, and high blood pressure. Studies have shown that cinnamon has the ability to reduce the levels of these 3 risk factors. 7. Protects your teeth. Cinnamon, in the form of an extract, has proven very effective in protecting against bacteria that inhabit our mouth and that cause cavities, bad breath, and even tooth loss. Cinnamon essential oil has been shown to be even more effective and can be used as a mouthwash. 8. Combats viruses and infections. Cinnamon has been used by many cultures in the world to fight infections due to its antimicrobial, antibiotic, antifungal, and antiviral properties. Some studies have shown that cinnamon is very effective in curing and disrupting candida growth in the digestive tract. Its ability to strengthen the immune system is so great that some studies indicate that it may be able to reduce the risk of contracting the HIV virus. 9. Protects the skin. Applying cinnamon essential oil to the skin is great for protecting it from irritations, allergic reactions, skin rashes, and infections. It's able to reduce inflammation, swelling, pain, and redness, in addition to being used to treat acne. 10. Combats allergies. Cinnamon has been shown to be a great ally in the fight against allergies, as it has the ability to reduce their uncomfortable symptoms. In addition, it's effective in reducing the symptoms caused by asthma attacks. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.